If you can make $10,000 to $50,000 more in the sale of your home by doing 5 things that don't require a lot of money or a lot of time, would you do it? Would you do it? My name is Diego Barco. I am a listing specialist and team leader with Diego Barco Real Estate Group. And after trial and error with our clients, we have developed a system that will allow you to make the most a buyer is willing to pay in the sale of your property. And guess what? I want to give it to you absolutely free. Normally, I provide this to our listing clients only so they can actually get their home sold for top dollar. But today, I want to give it to you for free. All you need to do is click on the link below. You're one step closer to making $10,000 to $50,000 more in the sale of your home, and all you need to do is click below. So make sure you click below and you download the free PDF that's going to put more money in your pocket. My name is Diego Barco, and I look forward to helping you and your family make more money when you download this free PDF. You should click on it. Trust me. You need to click on it.